Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to allow accessories on Mac. So first, click on this little Apple icon from the corner. Select System Settings. A new window pops up. Now scroll down to Privacy and Security. And then from this Privacy and Security page, scroll down looking for Allow accessories to connect. You will see it below security. Here there are multiple choices. You can select between asking every time for access, ask for just for new accessories, automatically when unlocked, or always allowing accessories to connect. And after this, let's say you switch to always. If you use a password, you will ask to use it. In my case, I use my fingerprint. And just like this, I allowed accessories to always connect on my Mac. And this is how to allow accessories on Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.